The Thing About Yetis by Vin Vogel. The thing about Yetis is that Yetis love winter. They love waking up on snowy and quiet mornings and drinking hot chocolate with their favorite stuffed toy. They love sliding down hills on their bottoms, building big snow castles, and pretending they are Godzilla. They love ice skating, Yeti style. Yetis make the best snowballs on the planet, and the best snowmen too. But sometimes winter can be tough, even for a Yeti. After all, Yetis get cold too, really, really cold. And when their snowy fur finally dries, it gets a little poofy. On those days when Yetis just can't get warm and the box of hot chocolate is empty, Yetis can get downright crabby. So here's a little secret for you. The thing about Yetis is that sometimes they miss summer. They miss playing outside for hours and hours on long, sunny days. They miss looking for little creatures by the sea and having sea monster beauty contests. Yetis miss building big sandcastles and pretending they are Godzilla. They miss zipping down splashy slides on their bellies. They miss wishing on a shooting star, the glowing light show of hundreds of fireflies, and the sound of crickets on warm summer nights. The thing about Yetis is that Yetis love winter because on the very coldest, wettest, windiest winter days, Yetis know just what to do. They make the warmest, coziest, calmest summer day right at home.